Satsa leli thuba kokucala sidawo appreciate nje i-Football Association for the confidence lesinike yona njengama coach educators. Two of us went to Zambia and the other two went to South Africa for the mentorship program. Sithi ke akweyi lokuthi i-Football Association ibone ukuthi sinabafanele ukuthi we can go through the training yaka mentorship. Siya appreciate kakhulu lokho, siyethemba futhi ukuthi kutaba nayo i-effect kulolu hlelo lokufundzisa abaceceshi. Sibonge kakhulu ke ku mentor wethu Mr. Mkashwa France for sikhathi la spende kanye nathi la, it was tough. Lona nje uthi siyabonga ukuthi siyaphila. Sonke siyabonga, it was tough for everyone. So the first day for me and my colleagues, it was like I should drop out of this course because I can't cope. But today I can afford a smile because we went through a lot of training. Well, it was difficult for you. It was even worse for us because we were required to follow all the principles of mentorship. So it is tough. I know some of you were coming for the first time to attend a course of this magnitude. In the past, when coaches are being trained, you have just only one instructor. But this time around, you had 4 people through whom you were taught how to handle your coaching work. So you will be the best after everything because you received the best from my colleagues over there, though it was tough even on our side. Going back, sicela ukuthi nani niqhubeke nihambe nisebenze. Nathi njengama coach educators siyethembisa thithi ukuthi sitawusebenziseka, sitawu-implementa konke lokho lesikufundzile. Siyethemba ukuthi na mentor wethu akasigcini lamuhla, utawuqhubeka nje sikhulumisane asifundzise lokufanele sikwende njengabo mentor. Ne-Football Association ngemayenda lama adjustment in terms of indlela tekufundzisa, sicela lokho ukuthi nalabanye labatawuta bangagongonyeki but bayithathe le challenge ngoba it's a new way or yekufundza. Thina nje masicala kufundza as coaches, it wasn't like this. So this is a new thing and I think it is the best because when you go back, you will remember all the incidents, all the activities we've been going through, and then you will transform them to your club, and then we will see positive changes. Siyabonga kakhulu, siphatheke kahle technical center. The only tough thing was the job that we were doing. But sikhonile survivor. We hope staba strong going forward. Siyabonga.